it was just good to be out there again, playing with my teammates and just getting some. I mean, just doing what I do. I mean, it was just a lot of fun. Just